Okay, so today we're going to check out this thing that you can attach to the cup and it's going to hold your phone. A brand sent me this tryout. I've never tried one out like this. It's for the MagSafe, you know, like this iPhone has one built in. My phone, the case has it built in. So you can use it for pretty much any phone that has the round magnetic piece on the back. Pop this open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just like this. What we're going to do, see, it's very sticky. Wrap it this way. So we're going to go and put it in just like this. That way. This way. Attach it to the cup. Get it as tight as you can. You can see this one, I'm going to stretch it quite a bit, which is totally fine. Just like that. So it's going to hold your phone without sliding around or anything like that. So you sit there, hold your drink, play with your phone, do all the things that you need to be doing, or maybe some stuff you don't need to be doing, and it's going to twist without actually twisting the phone. You can see here, see, look, I can't even see how strong that is. Pulling it off. Here it actually clicks and twists, so you can still move it, but it's going to stay where you need it to go as well. Okay, so let's say you are worried about your phone falling off, or your case doesn't have the magnetic strip in it, kind of like this one doesn't. It's going to have an adhesive ring that you can go and attach to it. Just like that, which obviously is going to stick to it really well. Might not be able to get that off now. Okay, that's stuck on there too good right now. I might not be able to get it off. I'll have to get something to pry it off later because this magnet is so strong. But it also comes with this thing right here. What this is going to do is go right through this hole. See that? And then, so, if you do have your phone hooked up and it falls, well, that one hit the table, but you can see it's going to catch it. So you don't have to worry about it actually, you know, see you're over water or something like that, and the phone falls off the magnet, it's going to catch it. So that's everything there is. You know, you got the Velcro on the back, super strong magnet. You got the little saver there as well. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.